Hello everybody, my name is Brayan and today we'll be telling about you the verb to be in simple past. Well, you know that the verb to be is a very special verb. It is an irregular verb that works different from the other regular verbs. This is the only verb that has two different forms in the simple past. That depends on the personal pronoun. As we have already seen in the present forms, the verb to be doesn't need a helper neither for negations and not for questions. Let me show you a little table that contains the personal pronouns and the correct verb to be that corresponds.
Okay, this is the table of positives. We can find the pronoun I was, you were, he, she, it was, we were, you were, they were. And the complement in this case is young. And the complete sentence is I was young. That means yo era joven. Okay. You were young, tú eras joven. Okay, and to form the negative, we will add not to the correct verb form. We can contract it as we did the present sentence by adding nt to either to the forms of the verb. Okay, this is the second table for negatives. Okay, I was not, you were not, he was not, she was not, it was not, we were not, you were not, they were not. And the contraction, I wasn't, you weren't, he wasn't, she wasn't, it wasn't, we weren't, you weren't, they weren't. And the complement is dirty. That means sucio. And the last one is for questions. Okay, in this picture, find she was, ella estaba, versus was she, estaba ella. Okay. Remember, to form the interrogation of the verb to be, we have to reverse the order of subject and the verb, as we did with the present. That's all on my part. Thanks. I leave with my partners.
Hi, my name is Uriel and I'm going to explain the simple past verbs, the verbs with ed and the spelling rules. First, the simple past verbs are the ones that we use for saying things that we do in a short time. There are some verbs that we only put an ed and I'm going to say some examples. An easy example is I play, she talk, he watched. The first spelling rule is regular verbs ending in a silent e take d in the simple past. The second one is regular verbs ending in a vowel plus y take ed in the simple past. The third one is regular verbs ending in a consonant plus y take ied in the simple. The y becomes an I followed by ed. Of course, it's not that easy. There are some verbs that we call irregular verbs. There is no easy way to learn these verbs. I mean, for me, I just listen to videos and some podcasts to learn some about them. Some examples of this are took, wrote, and saw. And just to finish, I'm going to say some examples, affirmative, negative, and some question yes, no. Played, the negative form is didn't play, and the question is did I play? Saw, the negative form is didn't see, and the question is did you see the movie? Drank, the negative form is didn't drink, the question is did you drink last night?
Hi, my name is Miguel. Today I'm gonna explain you the simple past of irregular verbs. Irregular verbs are verbs which don't follow normal rules for conjugation. The first example is the verb drink. In simple past is I drank a beer yesterday. I drank a beer yesterday. In negative form is I didn't drink a beer yesterday. The word didn't or did not determines the past of this sentence. The yes/no question, did you drink a beer yesterday? And the answer, we respond yes I did or no I didn't. Another example is I drove to the school. The negative form is I didn't drive to the school. The verb in present. I didn't drive to the school. And the yes/no question, did you drive to school? And the answer, yes I did, no I didn't. Other example, they spoke Korean. They spoke Korean. In negative form, they didn't speak Korean. The yes/no question, did they speak Korean? And the answer, yes they did, no they didn't. And the last example, we met in the park the last weekend. We didn't meet in the park the last weekend. This is the negative form. And did you meet in the park last weekend? And the answer, yes we did, or no we didn't. I put a list of the most common irregular verbs on the screen for study. It's a long list. It's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.